So we just had a huge blizzard in Kansas City. If you've noticed the news, this is the January storm. So it's pretty much snowed for 24 hours. So I just wanted to kind of document what my orchard and vineyard look like after the snowfall. So just flying through, black raspberries there at the bottom. It's kind of interesting to see what it looks like covered in snow. 2 cherry trees, a bunch of apple trees here in front. A lot of snow. There's snow drifts, and looks like my neighbors are stuck in the road. But it's kind of beautiful the way the orchard looks. I'm going to stop talking now and just put some music on.